Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a driver cannot load on this device error in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, find the Windows folder, double click on it. Now find System 32 folder, just double click on it. Now find the drivers folder, double click on it. In search, you just need to search ene.sys. If you find anything named as ene.sys, then you just need to right click on the file guys listed over here, just like this I show you. This is the file listed over here in the file explorer. You just need to right click on the file and select rename option, and at the end of the name you just need to type .old and press enter. You just need to select the continue option to save the changes, and after that you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select Windows Update. On right side you just need to select advanced options, scroll down and select optional updates. If you have any updates available in here, then you just need to check all the boxes and select the download and install option, and then the download will appear over here. You just need to wait for the process until finish. Then you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. On left side select device security. Under core isolation select core isolation details. You just need to turn off this memory integrity, just turn it off and select yes, and just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.